Okay, just a quick video here to show one example of one type of low risk setup that we look for in our live trading chat room. This is DirecTV from Friday. We already had this on watch because it was so weak, looking for a potential bounce. And then as I was looking for ideas for the room, one of our members actually said, "Hey, DirecTV is putting in one of our setups here." Show you the thinking. This is zoomed in a little bit. These are 5-minute candles. The opening candle was up around 34.62. So this thing, if you kind of draw a line in your mind, or you can actually use a drawing tool, look at how hard this was selling off already. Okay, it's way down on the day, and then it does this kind of final push, and look at the volume. Let me point out the volume candle there. Look at that volume candle on that push. You also have a bottoming tail here forming on fives. So you've got a few things pointing out that, hey, it's time to start looking for a reversal. Let me get the lines off there. At this point, this is when we give a stock like this all of our attention, okay? Again, one reminder, weak all day, and then a strong push down after all the weakness. This is the time to start thinking about long. Now, using 5-minute candles here, one possible scenario from our chat room was the first break of a previous 5-minute high. Once we established that, hey, this is one of our setups to start looking for an intraday reversal. Okay, so this the high of this candle 33. So the trigger on this 5 setup was 33.01. Again, thanks to one of our members for finding this. Now look what happens the next 5 minutes if you took it at 33.01. Quickly to 33.15. 5 minutes later, 33.23, or a little bit higher, 33.50. So a perfect example of a low risk setup. Okay, the trigger again 33.01. Worst case scenario 32.84 below this candle. But we also teach once we get a dime or more, we start paying ourselves at least on part of the trade and get to a break-even stop. Okay, which means, let me use my arrows here. That means you'd start selling some right around here, and after that sell, the rest of your position you go to a break-even stop right here. And then of course anytime you get a move like this, you certainly start selling more and more, scaling out. But remember, your initial risk was only about 16-17 cents a share. That's your initial stop. That's supposed to be a line. That's your initial stop right here, okay? And it took about 5 minutes to forget about any risk at all, start paying yourself, and get to a break-even stop. So, we trade several different ideas on any given day and any given time, but this is a good example of a nice low-risk setup and a perfect reversal setup. So I'm going to quit babbling here, and again, we'll try to follow up this week with just to share some more ideas of profitable strategies that we employ in our chat room on a daily basis. Have a great day.